Ford Bronco. I'm officially in love with them. So nice. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Today we are taking the right-hand drive EVO to its first ever car meet. We are going to Cars and Coffee, Miami. Put it out in the universe. We are gonna get one of these later on in the future. It's so nice. Oh my god, I want it so bad. Thinks it's funny to put a daddy hat on my car. What in the world? Set, it's all yours. What in the world am I seeing? What is life? So we have made it out of Cars and Coffee. The rain started hitting, so everybody started leaving and everything. It honestly felt good to like be in a car meet again after such a long time. I haven't been to a car meet since maybe a year and a half, since the whole COVID pandemic happened. I'm gonna go ahead now and take a couple of pictures of the JDM EVO 8. I might bring you guys along so you guys can see the way those pictures come out.